Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to remove an address from your Chase account. Open the website, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a profile icon at the upper right part of the screen. Click on the profile icon. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Profile and Settings. Click on Profile and Settings. On this page, you will see a section for personal details. Below that, is an option for Update Info. Click on Update Info. Now you will see the list of your addresses. Click on the Delete button beside the address you wish to remove. Then a pop-up message will appear asking if you're sure to delete this address. To proceed, click on Delete it. That's how you remove an address from your Chase account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.